In front of me is OnePlus 6T, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then hit Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Following that, you can tap on Settings at the bottom right corner and turn off all of those options, like Auto Sign In. But you can also just click on this switcher next to Use Autofill with Google to turn it off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!